Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today we'll be doing a special back-of-the-box recipe, a vintage recipe from the past that you would find on the back of a Raisin Bran box. Raisin Bran Muffins sound exciting, but I'll be using the maple-flavored Raisin Bran. Yum! Well, add a little flavor. Let's get to it. We need a large bowl. Add 2 cups of Raisin Bran, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of shortening. We need to mix that all up. In another bowl, we need the dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together. Add it to your Raisin Bran mixture and stir it until just combined. And then just put some dough in your muffin cups about 2/3 full. And then you bake them at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. The first Raisin Bran cereal was actually introduced by the Skinner Manufacturing Company in 1926. They put a trademark on the name Raisin Bran so no other cereal companies could use it. Well, that only worked till 1944 when they lost their trademark due to Raisin Bran really being ingredients. And then Kellogg's and Post made their own Raisin Bran cereals, which are still popular today. Raisin Bran introduced their mascot in 1966. It's a son, and his name is Sunny. And it was in the late 60s they started using the slogan, 2 scoops of raisins in every box. Well, you know what? 2 scoops of raisins is 240 raisins. That's 120 raisins a scoop. Raisin Bran muffins, they look wonderful. They taste good, and they do have that mapley flavor from the maple Raisin Bran. I like them. They're easy, and they're vintage. Why do cows have hooves instead of feet? Because they lactose.